cropped 32 point. Magnifier, desktop 1, zoom out button, main.
Hi friends, this is Code Beyond Site. We will learn about how to create own module for our projects. This is very important concept because if you know create own module, so then you will use your project, because the Python programming has already lot of inbuilt modules, but until not only that using in our softwares, not only enough our softwares, so we will create own modules, so then you will we can able to create the proper efficient softwares. So this video you learn about how to create one module to import that module. Okay, first of all, I'm create two files, my main.py.
My line module.py, editor. Main.py, editor group 1 editor as autocomplete multi. My line module.py, editor group 2 editor as autocomplete.
My underscore module.py. So this is my module. So I'm already
class my line module colon add left parent slang select
module. So this is basically I'm explaining this.
Class my line module colon.
Okay. I'm create one class.
My line module. Class.
My
line module.
My name, my underscore module is the class name
colon
def. The inside the class has the three functions. Add function. The
left
arguments.
Self.
The add function has the two arguments. Number one, number two. If you give the number one, number two for argument, this is return addition. To return the add the value.
8 space rectangle. 4 space step sub left parent sub.
This is subtraction. So if you give the value this function, this is return subtract the numbers.
8 space blank. 4 space step mode left parent self comma num 1 comma num 2 right left parent.
So if you give the value, this is return the multiplication numbers. So this is the one class file. This is the class. My module class has three functions. So three functions has the individual so addition, subtraction, multiplication. So first I'm
those that class my Voice American Volume 30, Inflection 20 pitch 65, rate boost off, rate 30, variant 3, Voice American in Volume 30, Voice of variant 3, rate 30, rate boost off, rate 30, rate 0, class my line module, colon, def add left parent, self comma, num 1 comma, num 2 right parent, colon, return num 1 plus num 2 def sub left parent, self comma, num 1 comma, num 2 right parent, colon, return num 1 dash, num 2 def mult left parent, self comma, num 1 comma, num 2 right parent, colon, return num 1 star num 2.
Okay. You hear this code. Again, I'm go to main.py. So I'm here. I import my module, my own module. Okay. First of all, you mention from
from space rate boost off, rate boost on.
Okay. From
space.
I am mentioned the
add selected. Add my line. Main.py my line module.
From
lang.
I mentioned my file name from my underscore module. File name. This is my file name.
import space.
Import. Again, I import the class name. So the class name and the file name, the both are same file, same name. So this is you muchly understand this. So first
my line module.
Import my file name.
Import.
So in my file this class name.
My line module.
My underscore module is my class name. Okay, so the because my the file has the multiple class. If you multiple class this a single file, so we can import the individual modules. Module means class. Okay, I
Lang.
import the my underscore module class. Okay, so I create the one object. Okay,
9 O
equal
O
to
equals left parent. Lang.
one more. So I'm
P R I N T.
I
Print
write
left
the
parent.
code
O dot
o dot
A D D
add
at left 1 comma 5
one dot five.
lang P P
This is run
terminal 1 comma lang Python dot backslash access 6
6 1. I mention 1. I give the argument 1 and 5. So this is total 6. So the function is 1. Okay, again I
main
call
landmark main dot py
another,
comma
another
lang
function.
print left parent O lang P R I N E print left O dot S dot O left parent lang right parent left parent lang right parent left parent E lang right parent O dot S U B sub left parent 1 6 16 comma 6 lang term CEAR clear lang clear 10
10. I give the two numbers 16 and 6 for sub function. So this is minus the give the 10. So because 16 minus 6 equal to 10. Okay,
terminal main landmark main dot print left parent print left parent O print left parent print left P R I N T print left O dot
o dot
M U L T mult left parent 1 0 comma 5 terminal 1 lang accessible view comma terminal 1 main landmark main dot right 5 comma com 0 1 left mult dot O left T left 9 dot 9 O dot
o dot
M U L T mult left 1 0 10 comma 1 5 terminal 1 comma CEAR clear lang X 50
50. I give the two numbers 5 and 10. So 5 into 10 50. This is the this is a
terminal
import this is the import to the your own module. So if you have any doubts and clarifications, send mail or in the comment, put in the message in the comment box. So I will definitely reply to you. Okay, bye friends, bye.
magnifier test